Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download WhatsApp on your PC. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your search option here. Now type Microsoft Store. This is the option. Just double click it here. And now on the search option, as you can see on top of the screen, there is a search option. Now just select the search option here and type WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp application. Just double click it here. And now this is the WhatsApp application. Here you can see the install option. Just click the install option here. After that, it will start download automatically. You have to wait for it. As you can see, the download it is started. It's a 86 MB file, so you have to wait depending on your Wi-Fi speed. As you can see, my download is completed. It's now installing the application. My installation is completed right now. Now to open the application, just click the open option here. I want to minimize this. And as you can see, my WhatsApp application is opening. And now select get started. And now all you have to do is just scan this QR code from your mobile, and your mobile WhatsApp will link to your PC. Just scan this from your mobile. So this is the video. I hope this video helps you, and if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.